For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars. We have wondered if we are alone. Is there another Earth out there? Could there be another planet capable of supporting life? Astronomers have been searching for a hypothetical planet called Planet X. This planet is thought to be large and icy. It might lie in the outer reaches of our solar system. The search for Planet X is driven by curiosity. Scientists want to understand the formation and evolution of our solar system. Finding a new planet would be a major discovery. It could provide clues about how planets form. It could also tell us more about the history of our own planet. The search for Planet X is a challenging one. The outer solar system is very dark and cold. Planets that far from the sun are very faint. This makes them difficult to detect. However, astronomers are using new telescopes and techniques. They are optimistic about the chances of finding Planet X. If we do find Planet X, it will be a major scientific discovery. It will change our understanding of the solar system. It will also raise new questions about the possibility of life beyond Earth. The search for Planet X is a reminder that there is still much to explore in our universe. Imagine our solar system. You have the Sun at the center. Then come the inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Further out you find the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. But what if I told you there might be another planet lurking even farther out, beyond the orbit of Neptune? This hypothetical planet, often called Planet X or Planet 9, has captured the imagination of astronomers and the public alike. While its existence hasn't been directly confirmed, certain gravitational anomalies in the outer solar system suggest something big is out there. This something could be a planet, perhaps several times the mass of Earth, hiding in the cold, dark depths of space. Based on these gravitational hints, astronomers believe Planet X could be orbiting hundreds of times farther from the Sun than Earth. This would place it in a region known as the Kuiper Belt, a vast disk of icy bodies beyond Neptune. Out here, sunlight is incredibly weak, making Planet X a frigid and desolate world. The Kuiper Belt itself is a fascinating place, populated by icy remnants from the early solar system. These remnants provide clues about the conditions under which our solar system formed. If Planet X exists within this region, it could offer valuable insights into the early solar system's evolution and the processes that led to the formation of the planets we know today. While we haven't directly observed Planet X, astronomers have made some educated guesses about its potential characteristics based on its gravitational influence on other objects in the Kuiper Belt. One of the most intriguing aspects is its predicted size. Estimates suggest Planet X could be several times larger than Earth, possibly even approaching the size of Neptune. This would make it a true giant of our solar system, albeit a very distant and cold one. This large size is essential to its gravitational influence, allowing it to tug on other objects despite its immense distance from the Sun. The exact composition of Planet X remains a mystery, but given its location in the outer solar system, it's likely composed primarily of ice and rock, similar to the other objects in the Kuiper Belt. This icy composition, combined with its distance from the Sun, means that Planet X would be incredibly cold, with surface temperatures potentially plummeting to hundreds of degrees below freezing. The possibility of a large, icy giant lurking in the outer solar system is incredibly exciting for astronomers. If confirmed, Planet X would be a significant addition to our understanding of the solar system's formation and evolution. It would also raise intriguing questions about the potential for other undiscovered planets orbiting our star. Let's imagine for a moment that we could travel to Planet X. What would we see? First, the Sun would appear incredibly small and faint from that distance, just a pinprick of light against a backdrop of incredibly black skies. The constellations, familiar to us from Earth, would be completely different, distorted by our new perspective from the outer solar system. Planet X itself might be a dark, foreboding world, shrouded in a thick atmosphere composed of gases like methane, nitrogen, and perhaps even traces of water vapor. The surface, hidden beneath this hazy atmosphere, could be a desolate landscape of ice and rock, sculpted by eons of impacts from smaller Kuiper Belt objects. However, this desolate landscape might not be entirely barren. One intriguing possibility is that Planet X might have a ring system, similar to Saturn, but potentially even more extensive and impressive. These rings, composed of ice and rock particles, would reflect the faint sunlight, creating a breathtaking spectacle against the dark sky. And if Planet X is large enough and generates enough internal heat, there's a slight chance it could even harbor subsurface oceans of liquid water beneath its icy crust. While life as we know it seems unlikely on such a frigid world, the possibility of subsurface oceans raises intriguing questions about the potential for exotic forms of life existing elsewhere in our solar system. Section 5. Life as we don't know it. The conditions on Planet X, as we imagine them, are far from hospitable to life as we know it. The extreme cold, lack of sunlight, and potential for a toxic atmosphere present significant challenges for life to arise and thrive. However, the universe often surprises us. On Earth, we find life in the most extreme environments, from the depths of the oceans to the frozen Arctic. These extremophiles, as they are called, have adapted to survive in conditions that would be lethal to most other organisms. This raises the intriguing possibility that life, albeit in a form we might not immediately recognize, could exist on Planet X. Perhaps microscopic organisms have evolved to thrive in the hypothetical subsurface oceans, drawing energy from geothermal vents or chemical reactions rather than sunlight. Or maybe life on Planet X has taken on a completely different chemical basis, utilizing elements and compounds that we wouldn't associate with life on Earth. While the possibility of life on Planet X is purely speculative at this point, it's a tantalizing thought. If we were to find evidence of even microbial life on this distant world, it would revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe and our place within it. Section 6. The challenges of exploration. The prospect of exploring Planet X is incredibly exciting, but the challenges are immense. The sheer distance to this hypothetical world presents a formidable obstacle. It's hundreds of times farther from the Sun than Earth, meaning a spacecraft would have to travel billions of miles to reach it. Even with our most advanced propulsion systems, a mission to Planet X would take many years, if not decades, to reach its destination. This prolonged journey would require innovative solutions for spacecraft design, power generation, and communication systems. The harsh environment of the outer solar system poses additional challenges. Temperatures are incredibly low, and the spacecraft would need robust shielding to protect it from radiation and impacts from micrometeoroids. The faint sunlight would make solar power unreliable, requiring alternative energy sources, such as radioisotope thermoelectric generators. Furthermore, the extreme distance means that communication with Earth would be significantly delayed, making real-time control of the spacecraft impossible. Autonomous navigation and decision-making capabilities would be crucial for a successful mission. Section 7. Overcoming the distance. Despite the challenges, the human desire to explore and understand the universe compels us to find solutions. Scientists and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of technology, developing new propulsion systems, communication technologies, and spacecraft designs that could one day make a mission to Planet X a reality. One promising area of research is in advanced propulsion systems that could significantly reduce travel time. Concepts like ion propulsion, nuclear fusion propulsion, and even theoretical ideas like warp drives are being explored as potential ways to achieve faster-than-light travel. Another crucial area is developing more efficient and reliable power sources for deep space missions. Advances in solar panel technology, energy storage, and the development of compact nuclear reactors could provide the necessary power for long-duration missions to the outer solar system. Furthermore, advancements in artificial intelligence and autonomous systems will be essential for navigating the vast distances and making real-time decisions without relying on constant communication with Earth. Section 8. The potential of Planet X. The discovery and potential exploration of Planet X holds significant implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Firstly, it would provide invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. By studying the composition, atmosphere, and orbital characteristics of Planet X, scientists could gain a better understanding of the processes that led to the formation of our solar system and other planetary systems throughout the galaxy. This knowledge could help us unravel the mysteries of planet formation and the conditions necessary for life to arise. Secondly, the existence of Planet X could have implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. While the planet itself might not be hospitable, its gravitational influence could shepherd comets and asteroids towards the inner solar system, potentially delivering water and organic molecules to Earth and other planets. Furthermore, if Planet X harbors any form of life, even microbial, it would revolutionize our understanding of the possibilities for life in the universe. It would suggest that life is not a unique phenomenon confined to Earth, but rather a fundamental process that can emerge under a wide range of conditions. Section 9. A universe of possibilities. The search for and potential discovery to the enduring human spirit of exploration and our insatiable curiosity about the universe we inhabit. It reminds us that there is still so much we don't know, and that the cosmos is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. Not Planet X exists as we imagine it. The search itself pushes the boundaries of our scientific understanding and technological capabilities. It inspires us to dream big, to explore, and to never stop asking questions about our place in the grand tapestry of the universe. The universe is vast and full of possibilities. As we continue to explore, we may find that our solar system, with all its familiar planets, is just one of systems, each with its unique story to tell and secrets to reveal. The search for Planet X is just one chapter in this ongoing saga of cosmic exploration.